What's up, baby biopenguins? Today we do 2013 number 7 on question, hypothesis, and data analysis from experimental data. In an experiment, rats averaging 300 grams of body mass were tested several times over a 3-month period. For each individual rat, urine was collected over a 3-hour period after ingestion of 10 milliliters of liquid, water, ethyl alcohol, 1% or 5%. The volume of urine was then measured and the results were averaged for all individuals within each experimental group. The data are shown in the table below. So in the data, we can see there was 3.5 milliliters with water, 3.8 with 1% ethyl alcohol, and 4.7 milliliters with 5% ethyl alcohol. So part A says to propose one scientific question that the researchers were most likely investigating with the experiment. So in the experiment, they had 3 different treatments. They had the water, the 1%, and the 5% ethyl alcohol. So I'm seeing a difference in concentration of ethyl alcohol. So to me, I'm seeing, okay, how does the concentration of ethyl alcohol, how does the amount of ethyl alcohol affect the urine output? Because that's what that's the data that they're pulling out of it. So how does alcohol consumption affect urine output in rats or any mammal? Or how does alcohol consumption affect the regulation of the kidney? So these are different things that you could have put. Remember, this is from 2013, so you don't actually have to know about the animal systems and know about the kidney at this point. So students said a question regarding this experiment could be what effect do different concentrations of ethyl alcohol have on the amount of urine output on a population of rats? Part B is the theta hypothesis that could be tested to address the question that you proposed in Part A. So since I was proposing that the concentration or that the amount of ethyl alcohol had affected urine input, I need a theta hypothesis. Okay? Hypothesis is an educated guess. So you're going to say that you think that an increase of concentration will increase urine output, will decrease urine output. What do you think is going to happen? And so you could have put as alcohol consumption increases urine output. Alcohol consumption increases water retention or reabsorption in rat kidneys. Alcohol consumption reduces urine output in rats. Alcohol consumption has no effect on urine output. So honestly, all 3 of them are here. Increase, decrease, stays the same in terms of this hypothesis. And you could also get this point without earning your point for A. So students said because alcohol acts as an antidiuretic, there would be more output of urine the higher the concentration of alcohol. Part C, using the data in the table, describe the effect of ethyl alcohol on the urine production. As we see here, the higher the concentration of ethyl alcohol, the more urine output. So alcohol consumption increases urine output. Students said the rats that ingested the higher concentration of ethyl alcohol produced more urine. Hope that was helpful. Remember, 8 pain was just a test. Bye, y'all.